multitudes of memories, reverberating and resonating within each one of us, uniquely beating. We are all genetic time travelers on this magnificent space rock. Take a moment to pause and hear nature's irresistible clock. Feel nature's rhythm in your pulse, your heart drumming knockety knock knock. Open our collective eyes and admire nature's unfathomable, vibrant, life-sustaining fire as it burns within us all, no matter how large or small. Lovingly embrace and listen to her call. Nature is breathing in deeply. We are nature. She is in us all.